I hope you remember how Subal wanted his childhood back so that he would lock himself up and study. However, now that he was young again, he hated the very thought of studying or going to school. Sushil was very angry with him. Subal told Sushil that he had a terrible stomachache and that he could not go to school. Sushil forced his young father to go to school, and in the evening when Subal returned, he longed to go out and play. Sunil was very careful about food. He remembered that when his father was an old man, he had a lot of digestive problems. Slightest overeating would bring on attack of acidity. However, Subal was always hungry these days. Sushil just would not allow him to eat normally and Subal remained hungry. He started losing weight and grew thin. Old Sushil also had his own problems. He soon realized that nothing of what used to be second nature suited him anymore. Either he had been so fond of plays that whenever he heard of one being performed, he'd land up there. Young Sushil had loved to take his daily dip in the pond, but the moment he tried it now, his pain increased, and then he had to see a doctor. On some days he would forget that now he was as old as his father, and he would try his usual naughty tricks. Subal too forgot at times that he was no longer old. He would go and join the gathering of the old people and comment on their decisions. The people would box his ears, scold him for being so bad. Forgetting that he didn't look old any longer, he even asked his tutor for a puff of tobacco. Enough was after all enough. Subal now prayed with all his heart that he might regain his lost age and independence, which he had been foolish enough to pass on to Sushil. Sushil too prayed earnestly that he might become young once again and play around. Yes, of course. Once again, the goddess of wishes was passing from there. She listened to their prayers, and the next morning everything returned to the same.